Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show how to solve Instagram story restyle something went wrong or not working problem. Do not worry, all users facing this problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold Instagram, click on app info or I button, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Instagram. Make sure update Instagram app latest version. After completing all process, if Instagram restyle not working, wait for 24 hours. Then automatically problem will be solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.